Hi there, welcome to TV Mall. Today on the toy segment, I'm here with Costa. We're looking at the UGEARS Safe, which you can get today right here at TV Mall. Now, this is valued at 999 rands, but today you can get it for just 799 rands. Give us a call on 0861 000 173 or go onto our website to place your order. It's www.tvmall.co.za. Costa, with UGEARS, I love that you're using your hands to put things together. Do you love puzzles?
Well, I love puzzles, and I get so excited with the joy of watching something come together.
Yes.
You're like coming together before your eyes, okay? And this is what the UGEARS is about. The UGEARS, you know how I like to refer to it?
Yeah.
It's a 3D puzzle.
Yes.
You know, so in other words, you're building a mechanical model that clips in together and clips into place with no glue, with no steel pins, with no nails or nuts and bolts. It's a puzzle that clips into place, and all you need is a few toothpicks and rubber bands that we supply with this model that comes flat packed.
Wow, and I never thought you'd have a safe. Today we're looking at a safe. Let's talk about a safe. Does it function like a real safe?
Exactly. Like, who would have thought, hey, I know what, I'm going to build my own safe. I mean, there's no safe you can build in the market. You can't find a safe to build. Well, here at UGEARS, you do have a safe, and it is a safe that actually works. You build this, and you actually get to decide the 3 combination lock that you're looking for, okay, that you'll remember, and you can actually lock things inside there. So look at that dollar sign. I mean, they've really thought of everything. You know, they've taken an old school looking safe and given it a modern twist edge with that dollar sign on the inside. And it really is just it's a seriously fun piece of equipment.
For just 799 rands, you can enjoy using this in your own home, playing around with it, figuring it out, and putting together the pieces. You know what I'd do? I'd use this safe as a gift, but I'd also have something in it.
Ooh.
Right?
Ooh. Okay, so let's think about what you could put in there. Imagine, you know, some keys for a car that you've just bought your wife. Or if you've bought your husband a car.
Or if you're trying to propose and you can put the ring in there, they open the safe, voila.
Absolutely. Or, you know, just put a few things of value in there that you just know where it is, and you know the combination, just to keep everybody else away from it. Hide all your Kruger coins.
I love it. And if you're feeling like, but I'm not really good at putting things together, it comes with a manual.
Okay, so here we go. This is slightly more complicated than some of the other UGEARS models that are available.
Okay.
We're talking, depending on your skill level, you get a full instruction manual.
Okay.
Okay, now the full instruction manual takes you step by step through every single part. Now, part number 1 pops out very simply out of the plywood because it's been laser cut.
Okay.
And it shows you exactly, you're building it in sections. So section 1 will be the outer walls, section 2 is the lock, the combination, section 3 is the door, and then one of the last sections is putting the whole thing together, and the 5th section is actually testing the lock to see how it works. You're going to go through it in stages. So what we suggest is take this model and break it up over a couple of days. All right.
Yes.
For those who have less engineering know-how, etc., you know, this could probably take 3 hours a day over 5 days, let's say. Some of you may want to finish it in a whole single sitting and really burn the midnight oil just from the excitement of getting it done. But what we say is this is a model that is slightly more intricate, but definitely something that you can take on as an engineering project because it's all in the instruction manual.
Yes.
And it's all available also online.
You know, Kosa, you always mention how we're so glued to the screens, but we're talking about honing your technical skills, your mechanical skills, and getting in touch with texture. Imagine solving this with your family and having your kids around, have them assist you, and how this could really, really be fun.
I mean, texture. When last did somebody say, hey, go outside and make me something out of wood?
I know.
You know, those days are not what they used to be. And here, we're bringing a piece of engineering and like modern technology in an old school way. You know, you're touching wood, you're building something, and you're also building something of value and of extreme beauty and of use.
And you're honing your skills while you're at it. If you want to place your order at 0861 000 173, I'm telling you, if you get this, you will no longer complain about being bored or feeling like you have nothing to do. And actually, it makes a perfect gift for that loved one. If you want to place your order at 0861 000 173, also remember to go onto our website and place your order. If you feel like you want to place your order in the comfort of your own home, with ease, it's hassle-free, and we accept all debit and credit cards. But do remember to give us a call to get your rate on the shipping and handling. Wow, the safe. Wow. So let's talk about the plywood that's used to create this.
It's very durable plywood. Okay, that's also been farmed sustainably from forests in Europe. So it's got FSC accreditation, a sustainable piece of wood. The plywood is durable, it's hardy. But yes, wood can tend to break. And what I love about UGEARS is if anything breaks or you're missing a part, all you need to do is to email UGEARS. They replace that part free. And yeah, I mean, that's an amazing thing in itself, you know, because there's nothing worse than that one piece of the puzzle that's missing. I mean, no.
You can't continue.
Well, it fails the entire exercise. Here, don't need to worry about that. The part will be replaced for you. So if you lose a part or if you break a part, worry not. UGEARS also have uploaded all the videos on how to build every single one of their models. You know, yes, I may be good at what I do, but sometimes
You need reference. You need help. Just a bit of help.
You need that extra help, and it's not really cheating because a whole community has evolved online that assist each other in building these UGEARS models. A UGEARS community are uploading videos onto YouTube every single day because people are becoming so proud of what they built. They're actually becoming experts in their own right.
Yes.
You know, and we all like to help others in terms of, especially with a hobby that we love. You know, so there's a community online that is really there to help you. This is a collection that once you start, you're not going to stop.
Wow. And I think when you're looking at this, it looks very complicated, Costa. I don't want to lie to you. This looks really complicated and it looks like it would take you a while. How long does it take you to put together the safe alone?
Okay, I'm particularly meticulous. I like taking my time with things.
Particularly
Particularly meticulous. That even came out of my mouth. That even came out of my mouth. A little bit meticulous. So I like to take it in stages.
Okay.
So for me, this is a 5-day project. 3 hours a day. Okay. I also need a break between because I get frustrated. You know.
I know. You get perfectionists who almost want to figure it out right now.
I was just called that today. So yes, if you're a perfectionist, you can also sit and finish it in one sitting. I know somebody who did it in one sitting. It was a long day, but not a frustrating day because he's built many of these models. But this is for guys, for girls, for your daughters. You know, how many times do you sit and build something with your son and daughter?
Oh, man.
You know, with your kids, with your nieces and nephews. And also, how many times do you build something that's so beautiful? Something I didn't mention before that I want to mention now is there's a lot of moving parts in here. Can I just show, I just want to see where we're at. Okay, so there we go. So look at these moving parts. Beautiful moving parts that over time may get a little bit stuck. So what we say is add to some of the parts that you're doing, add candle wax.
Okay.
So the candle wax keeps the parts from actually maintaining their smooth transition. Okay, look at that. Hundreds of pieces that actually move. You don't need grease or anything, just use candle wax. And again, we're not using any glue to build this.
Okay.
No nuts and bolts and screws, no glues, only literally toothpicks that are supplied and provided with it, and elastic rubber bands.
Then candle wax, which does it act as oil to ensure that the parts are moving?
Exactly, that's it. It's like it has a greasing effect.
All right, and we're talking about the UGEARS Safe. To place your order at 0861 000 173. It's perfect for a gift. Can I add color to this?
You can.
As a gift, because I'm thinking if I want to get this for somebody who I know loves color, can I add a bit of color and wrap it as a gift and hand it to them?
Well, what we suggest is when it's flat packed, when you unpack it, then you stain it before you start building the product. Just a light stain, obviously not a varnish or a heavy paint, enamel paint, a light stain can change the color of this. So you could actually create a nice mahogany colored safe that actually sits in the corner of your bedroom or on your shelf in your living room.
Or in your office.
In your office, yes. Store all your millions in this.
I love it. Wow. Well, you wouldn't really want to store millions.
Gold, diamonds.
Okay, well, in that case, yes, it's available for you today for 799 rands. Give us a call on 0861 000 173. Then, Costa, sometimes some of us forget numbers, pins, passwords, the combination.
Okay, so let's go there. You've forgotten the combination. Worry not. In the instruction manual is a step-by-step guide for you to decipher and actually to unpack and unlock the safe without using the combination. It is quite intricate, and again, it's also available online. This is really, even if you forget the combination, this is something that has instructions on how to rework it. Not easy though, so keep the combination safe. Safe, not in your safe, obviously, and start your collection today. I mean, UGEARS really excites me. This is the beginning of amazing hobby trend that is so unique, and I'm so proud to show South Africa exactly where it's available and how it works. Really very excited about this.
Costa, when we first got this, I was very reluctant because I'm not really the one who uses her hands quite a lot, and I don't really want to try it out. But once I tried it, I couldn't stop using it, placing all the puzzles together, trying to solve everything. You just want to be involved. So then other people would want to, once you've finished, can you dismantle it and start over again?
Absolutely. Oh, for sure. You know, sometimes it's nice to revisit a puzzle all those years later. You know, you're going to keep this clean. You're going to be dusting it once a week, etc. If it's on the mantelpiece or something, it's going to maintain its shape. It's made of hardened plywood that is not going to warp or change shape. That's the thing about hardened white plywood. It really holds its shape. You know, even in humid environments, you can take it apart and build it again.
Wow. So we have a variety of products that you can build using the UGEARS. So just give us a call and find out what you can get. Apart from the safe, we have the Grand Prix car. We have so much more that you can get. And if you want to place your order at 0861 000 173 and also find out which other products you can have. And actually, you can go onto our website, which is www.tvmall.co.za. There you'll be able to see all the products that you can get and buy today for yourself. We're talking about 100% natural plywood used to create things that look absolutely stunning, not just the aesthetic, but also the functionality, honing your technical and mechanical skills. If you want to place your order once again, it's 0861 000 173. Today has been so fun.
Yep. You know, again, exciting 3D puzzle building right now in your home.
Also looks, you can add a bit of color if you love it. If you want to add a bit of color, you just stain it, and then you can expand and hone your technical skills and have fun with everyone.
Absolutely. Have fun. Solve the mystery together.
Solve the mystery together. I love that. If you want to place your order at 0861 000 173. Thank you so much for joining us from myself and Costa. It is goodbye. We'll continue playing with this. Wow.